Well, come with me.
Hi guys, I'm Alex. I'm a plumber. Yes.
Yeah, that is Alex Onguso.
Yes.
Then we have Alan.
Yes. Hi guys, I'm a plumber. We want to prepare.
We want to repair a tap. Okay. So first we have the leakage. The water is leaking from up here. Then it's very hard to switch. So we want to make it more easier. More loose to switch. There we go. We are having this one. This is the pipeline that we want to adjust it. And shika hivi. This is the tap. This is the socket.
That is socket.
And this is the reducing bush. Then we have the nipple that is connected from inside to out, which is holding water that is inside and pumping it outside. There we go. Umbusanza.
I'm supposed to tighten it. This comes loose first.
Okay guys, so these are the nuts we just opened.
Open it.
They're like this. I hope you can see. They're like this. So we've opened and we are going to twist this one several times
Come loose.
until you feel it's loose. This is water from the roof, so you can just twist it as much as you want.
In the tank.
Okay, this is water that is coming from roof to the tank.
To the tank, yes.
Okay, proceed.
So to repair it, you are supposed to open it first, then you come loose first. Here we got at the stop, the GI socket, half GI socket. You have got half reducing bush, then half reducing, that is three quarter reducing bush, and then you have got nipple from 3/4 to a half. That will use nipple followed by socket, then you place tap.
So guys, after we've done that, we'll return the nuts.
Yes.
The nuts.
Nut. So you're supposed to be careful.
So guys, we are replacing the nuts.
Okay, done.
That is it. So now I think it's much better. Yeah, it's like so. This is it.